Back guys to Fog Racing. It is time for the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix here on F125, and it is the Williams career mode, and by God, this career mode's been pretty fun. I need to get playing it more, but you know what, this is a relaxed series. We're doing 100%, because you know what man, see, to actually furlough, I'm not saying you can't enjoy doing like 25% races or 50% races, but the fact of the matter is this guys, right? See, unless you're actually doing 100%, you don't get the full race simulations. Like this race that you're about to see, most people did a one stop. I think I was like the only guy that actually did a two stop, but it's the fact that I was able to do a two stop, well, able loosely, to be honest. Should have been more of a free stop, but we'll get there. But just a really fun race. But anyway, let's get through practice and into qualifying.
We've just been pushed down into P18.
The Grand Prix.
Now I'm going to be brutally honest folks, qualifying went better than planned. I don't know what it is, but it's when you drive on a controller. I mean, I'm not playing on the highest difficulty, I'm not going to fucking pretend I am. I actually want to enjoy the game. I don't want to be I mean, by the way, I actually did this in one sitting, practice qualifying the race, and the cramp I had in my hand, fucking hell, towards the end of that Grand Prix. You know, I'm not as young as I used to be, brother. But yeah, it's like the final sector, and I've got the battery on automatic, and I just think I was honestly losing about 7/10 a lap in the final sector, and it's like that is just going to cost you. And I don't think it wasn't really affecting me as much in qualifying, I don't believe, even though I was still a lot slower than the AI. I mean, through the first sector, man, I'm like 1 second up in the first sector. Second sector's fairly even. I think I still had the fastest second sector, but then the third sector I'm getting destroyed. So it's like if I compensate it, the AI difficulty, right, and put it up a lot higher to bring the AI closer to me, so to speak, in the first and second sectors, I would be getting fucking pummeled in the third. And you know, no spoilers, but in the race, that dynamic actually worked. Like, I was pitting, and because I was on fresh tyres, I was taking like 2.5 seconds out of people in the first sector, but then I was struggling to overtake because I couldn't get anywhere near. Towards the end of the lap, I was having to do the overtakes in the first and second sectors, which was quite a fun dynamic. But anyway, guys, pole position for Carlos Sainz. We're doing alright in this championship. Where will we finish though in the race? Let's find out.
Right, let's go, come on. That was a fantastic... Come on, you can win that place back. Alexander's coming in for his stop now. Okay, off we go, back into the race. Perfect job from you and the crew there, mate. Okay, clear. tyre situation's an interesting one, but I think the right call is to stick with what we've got for now. Weather's changing now, you might want to review our strategy. Okay, copy that. You're losing pressure in your front right tyre. You may have a slow puncture. Okay, we're losing tyre pressure. I think you might have a slow puncture. We've lost the front right tyre. Front right tyre has shredded. Okay, the tyre has shredded. The tyre's shredded. We need you into the box right away. Be careful. Alexander's in the pits. Alexander in the pits. Okay, forget the targets for now. We've got to focus on the pit stop. Okay, mate, that's it. Go, go, go. Perfect job on the turn in there, mate. Looks like a nice stop time. We're happy with that one. Look after these tyres now. We want to finish the race on this compound. Inters look like the best tyre for now. Okay, gap to the car ahead, 3.9 seconds. Okay, this is your final lap of the race.
Right, and it's one red light, two red light, and they're all out, man. Here we go for the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix. And what we've got to do is just do a decent job, hold on to P1 and go for it. But the fact of the matter is this, folks, my tyre wear compared to the AI is mince. There's also rain scheduled for the end of this race, which never goes well, so we'll have to wait and see how that plays up. But as these laps go in, we do battle, and a certain papaya bastard jobs me well and truly clean out. So yeah, sit back, enjoy the montage, and towards the end, when the rain hits, I'm just going to leave it unedited and you can enjoy it in its full form. But let's just say some big tyre issues.
And that's the end of the race.
And there we go, folks, across the line. A couple of points in the end. You know, we had a ferocious battle all race there. It was really fun, that race, man, because it was the two stop versus the one stop, and it almost worked. I think the problem is I just went on the softs, and yeah, softs are phenomenal. See, for like 3-4 laps, man, you're taking like 3 seconds out of everybody. But then towards the end of that stint, my tyres are just going, they're going, and then you're not taking time out of anybody, you're just simply losing time. And as you saw, Hamilton is catching. And I mean, if I put the hard tyres on, could I have potentially beat Leclerc and Verstappen? I don't know. But the fact of the matter is this, not putting on a more durable set of tyres, I would have put on mediums because I thought the mediums were really good. But because they went like, what, 20 laps? Over 20 laps. But I didn't have another set of them for whatever fucking reason. So that sucked. And yeah, really unfortunate, to be honest, that I wasn't able to put another set of mediums on. But yeah, I would have been interesting to go back to lap 33, put the hards on for 17 laps, coming out like 16 seconds behind like Verstappen and Leclerc, seeing what I'd be able to do. What would I have been able to do, who knows. But to be battling in the podium positions all race, when outside chance of victory, to end up P9 after doing like a 2.5 hour sitting here in front of the fucking television screen, is a bit soul destroying. Anyway, folks, leave your thoughts down below. That will do it for Big Stevie here on Fog Racing, and peace.
Morning guys from Inverness and Inverness